Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update for you guys. Monad right now sitting just under 200 mil market cap, 1808 cent. So Monad is officially below our entry when I first started to talk about it on the channel. This is why I say crypto is very unpredictable, guys. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, right? I saw someone reply to my comments saying that they went all in on Monad. Now, when they say all in, I hope they have like cash on the side. I hope they're diversified into, maybe some Bitcoin or Ethereum, just to be on the safe side, because the market is very, very, very unpredictable, very volatile, and you never know what could happen, guys. I'm still hoping and looking for that double bottom pattern, but hope is not a strategy. So it's left to be seen if that double bottom will play out and we get a W pattern to the upside for Monad. That is a strategy I'm looking for, guys. So we'll see how it plays out. Personally, it's a mixed bag, guys. The market feels like extremely bearish. If you take a look at the macro right now, we're back into fear in the fear and greed index right here. We're back in fear. Bitcoin is under 90,000, under 88,000. Ethereum is below 3,000. I see on my timeline so many people that are saying that gold has got to $5,000 before Ethereum has, and it's really a tough time in the market that we have right now with these market conditions, because it does feel like the crypto industry is not what it once was, especially with gold, precious metals doing so extremely well, right? But that does not stop the builders from building. For example, the Monad team and the D-app developers of Monad, they're still being onboarded today. For example, we take a look at Upshift, right? Upshift is a $550 million custodial DeFi vault for lending. So DeFi on your RWA projects, straight built on Monad, right? So this is the type of things that you want to look for. You want to see the fundamentals still being built out for the project. People saw another person comment and say, all of the D-apps being built, all of the fundamentals don't matter unless the project has more marketing. Well, in this type of situation that we're in, Monad is holding up a lot better than a lot of other projects in the space right now. A lot of projects are just continuously bleeding down, making new lows, right? Right now, Monad is in the spot for a double bottom pattern or a W pattern. And again, in my opinion, as far as marketing goes, you have one of the first Coinbase ICO projects right in front of your face. It's just, in my opinion, it's just that the overall market is in such a bad spot for altcoins that you're seeing the negative price action for even a project like Monad that, in my opinion, is well positioned to be a great great investment for the future, right? And I still think that's the case, but you won't see that change until something changes in the overall macro of the market, right? Or the Monad team, something clicks for Monad and it's an isolated success story, right? Which is very difficult in crypto, right? Isolated success stories don't happen too often, right? So that is also possible, but it's not guaranteed, right? But as you can see right here, EarnMon is now live on Monad, powered by Upshift. Users can deposit native Mon or Wrapmon on the Upshift app with upcoming ecosystem incentives and expanded points programs. And you can learn everything through the app of upshift.finance. So DeFi for your RWA projects, DeFi on Monad, not DeFi, RWA DeFi on Monad is extremely bullish, right? You take a look at Ondo, for example. Ondo, a lot of people look at Ondo as the top RWA project, which is, real world assets where you bring like real estate, auto parts, auto companies, all of these different things. You bring those on chain, similar to how you bring stocks on chain. And you could earn DeFi on these different protocols, right? So now this is available on Monad, right? And I think that is extremely bullish. As you can see right here, from the Upshift vaults, they have 429 million dollars deposited at this current stage, right? And that is, again, extremely bullish for Monad. You could, with that, you could see big players come to Monad through Upshift, right? And again, that is what you want to see, the fundamentals, the dApps being built out on the project, on Monad itself. This is what you want to see, right? But that does not mean it's gonna create price action, positive price action right away. It's gonna take, crypto is all about patience. It may take some time for that to play out. It may happen tomorrow, right? Crypto is very unexpected, right? Again, it feels like we're on the brink of something big. I don't know, man. With gold and silver making new all-time highs and crypto not doing much, I don't know. Is it the sign for some type of big event about to take place? I don't know. We'll see. But overall, as far as the fundamentals go for Monad, as far as the project goes, I'm still bullish. Still think this is one of the best L1s in the space. Still think this will have its time to shine eventually. So I'm gonna keep making these updates for you guys, and stay consistent as possible with that. Again, 50,000 to 100,000 Monad. You don't have to overinvest here. Just one step at a time, man. One investment at a time to build your portfolio out. Eventually, crypto will, return to its glory. I would think that would be the case. So you just have to stay patient until then. As always, none of this is financial advice, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.